Hello, future cloud gurus. It's Cloud Nuvo here. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the essence of AWS EC2. We will learn about instances, instance type, and security groups. Think of a computer. Now, imagine this computer is supercharged, customizable, and located, well, in the digital cloud. This, my friends, is an EC2 instance. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Think of it simply as your VM on the AWS cloud. Elastic, because it's flexible. Need more power, stretch it, need less. Shrink it down. Now, we all don't eat the same amount, do we? Similarly, EC2 offers different flavors known as instance types. For normal browsing and day-to-day activity, you can use the general-purpose instance type. For gaming, you could use the accelerated computing instance type. But in this digital world, how do we ensure our cloud computer remains safe from the prying eyes? Enter security groups. Think of these as digital bouncers, deciding who gets in and who stays out. Just set some rules and let the bouncer, the security group, handle the rest. Combine the power of EC2 instances, the variety of instance types, and the safety of security groups. And what do you get? The ultimate cloud experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you're floating on Cloud 9 with all this new knowledge, drop a like and join us on Cloud Nuvo for more cloud-tastic content. Until then, keep soaring.